of times when students get confused with function notation, it helps to picture the function definition with empty parentheses. And this expression over here, 4 parentheses squared minus 3 times parentheses plus 2, it just tells you what you do to some input to the function to get the output. So for example, I could put a triangle here if I wanted to and say that f of triangle equals 4 times triangle squared minus 3 times triangle plus 2. Or I could put the letter z in here and say f of z equals 4 times z squared minus 3z plus 2. So whatever is the input to the function, this is what you do to it. Now this expression over here, g of f of negative 2, is called composition of functions. So we want to find out what the output is for f of negative 2, and whatever the output is for f of negative 2, we're going to put it into the g function. So we'll work from the inside out. So what is f of negative 2? Means put negative 2 into the function, which means wherever there's a parentheses, we put a negative 2. Now we got to go off maybe on scrap paper and evaluate what this expression is. So I'll do that down here. We have to square the negative 2, which is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. That's the first term. Negative 3, negative 2 is plus 6, plus 2. So it looks like the input or the output from f of negative 2 is 24. 22 plus 2 is 24. Now we want to find g of 24, which means 24 is input into the g function. So I'll do that in red over here. Here's 24 going into the g function. What do you do with that 24? Well, you follow this template. G function says whatever the input is, multiply by 9, and then subtract 5. So down here on scrap paper, 9 times 24 is 36, carry the 3, 18 and 3 is 21, then subtract 5, we've got 211. Okay, so there's your answer, 211. Okay, hope that helped. There you go.